mascara that I have received. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. Thank you for tuning in. And for today's video, I will gonna show you the mascara that I have received for free in Yves Rocher. So please stay tuned. Get ready with me. How do I achieve this makeup look for springtime? This is for me personally. This is my springtime makeup. So stay tuned. Okay, I've prepared my hair already before we start, and I already prepped my face. It's a bare face without any product, and I have cleaned first with this one, my favorite Lumis Pa anti-aging. And of course, first, this is one of the primer. It's a moisture mist by New Skin, one of my favorite. You have seen this a lot on my videos. Moisture mist that can make your tired face glowy. But this you can use as well as a base on your, like a primer before putting makeup. So just waited for a few seconds to dry it off and we'll start. So let's put the New Skin Liquid Finish Foundation. And I decided to mix it with this Clinique Beyond Perfecting because you can always, it's by your preference, you can always mix together. Because this one quite lighter with my skin tone and this one is a little bit darker. So I will mix it together so that it will match my skin color. Yeah, look, it's quite darker the New Skin and lighter the. So just mix it with a brush, a foundation brush, or mix it with my makeup sponge, just together. Alright, finished with foundation, and I love the mixing of the two kind of foundation today. And the next was I will be putting the contour stick by Wet n Wild. So this is not sponsor, guys. I bought it for myself. So this is lighter for putting your highlight and this is for contouring. Next was doing my eyebrows. Since I don't have more eyebrows, it's very thin, but it's okay. I have this Kiko Milano eyebrow sculpture kit. So it looks like this. Oh, it's almost finished now. Look. Kikita nyo, masyadong gamit na to. Paubos na siya. And one of my favorite. It's from Kiko Milano. Alright, and I will put a face setting powder, this one, to make more my makeup will stay. So I will leave it like that for the moment because I need to put the eyeshadow. If there's any fallout, at least I can wipe it out after the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the eye color primer intensifying with by Essence before putting eyeshadow. I'm just using my finger because I'm used to do it, because I really wanted to spread it more evenly. My nose is running. Wait. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I will be using this sun-kissed. Look, look, it's so beautiful. Can you see that? Sun-kissed Party Ever After. And I will show it to you, the inside. But mind you, it's new, but it fell it off on the ground. And look what happened. One of my favorite color was broken. So there's a little bit more left. Alright, so this I will be using. So wala po siyang name, walang pangalan. So there's no name here. This one I will be using as a base. It's nearer on my skin tone. And next, I will be using this pinkish color here, using my blending brush. I will be putting the outer eye. And using my smudge brush, I will be adding this a little bit darker, like dark brown in here. I'm putting it on this side, and then I'll just put it inside. And now in the middle of my eye, down here, I just want to put this one a little bit golden, but I'm gonna use my finger, one of my favorite to use. I love it. I have visitor here. Sorry guys. And I will be putting at the top this white color here. This one. It's a glittery also. Just very little. Look. So beautiful. And I will be blending it out a little bit with my blending brush and putting a little bit of pink, this pinkish, putting a little bit in the inner corner, and this one that is broken, I'll put this here, yung parang muta natin na kumikintab. Okay, this one. Look, to make your eyes more open because I have a hooded eye. But I don't know about you. If it's not necessary for you, that's fine. And I will be using this black, using my very thin, like eyeliner brush, to put it on the outer corner here. I'm putting this brown, chocolate brown in here, down here. This is the one that I've been telling you. I received this as a free gift from Yves Rocher. I'll show you the brush. Look, as you can see, it seems that there's no brush, but there is. Look, that's the brush, you can see. You can see that, very very small. And I will try it now on my eyelash. I will not put any like fake lashes, and it's short. I don't have a very long eyelash, so let's see, will it work for me? It's so cute. But you see, it was so good because it can really brush your small eyelash there, if you have. But if you have a long lashes, there you don't need this one. But for me, it was so funny. It's so amazing, so cute. Look, I can really, can you see that? That's my eyelash become more, look, darker with this, with a very small brush. Look, so cute. It seems that there's no brush at all, but there is. This is the smallest brush I ever seen with mascara. Amazing. I love this Vertigue, in French Vertigue Longueur. So it is for the having small eyelashes like me. Now I'm brushing off all the fallout from the glitter and eyeshadow, some eyeshadows there. I will be putting this matte essence blush on. Look, it's pinkish. And I will be putting my blush on brush. And I will be putting the Sleek, where's it? My Sleek makeup highlighter. Look, the Sleek. It was so good. There's 4 colors here. Lipstick now, the last one, it's my Power Lips lipstick, Breadwinner. I hope you like my makeup and hope you like my video. Thank you for supporting me, family. I love you all. I really appreciate you, and the Lord bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you like my video. And please do share. And yes, till next time, I love you all. Bye bye.